from my heart and from my hand. Why don't people understand my intention?
So, good morning. This is question number 4 as it relates to the classic mini EV conversion. Today's question is related to the interior and what direction that we should take with that interior. There will be one more question tomorrow, question number 5, and I will then leave those 5 questions open till the end of this month, the month of September. Yeah, we're in September, right? Still. Okay, September. And then I will summarize all the feedback and share with you what the final direction is going to be based on the feedback that you've given. So I'm going to take you outside and show you the car again so we can make some decisions related to the interior. So from the best I can tell, this actually is at least the right color combinations and fabrics from the car originally when it was produced in 1980-81. Looks like it's had a mild restoration on some of the panels internally over the years, but in general it's in good condition. I don't know if you can see that. There is one or two rips on the back of the seats, but something that could easily be repaired. I have to say I'm not a particular fan of this checkered cloth design that's in this, but this is a good opportunity to revisit that. Now, a couple of decisions to make. One is to do with the squared off binnacle they have in this car. Obviously we've got a couple of options here. We can leave it the same, we could convert to an oval central one, or we could go for the Cooper complete dash. Luckily the two electric drivetrains that we've chosen do allow us to keep the original dials in, because one is a direct drive and one is using the existing gearbox. So we are really flexible as it comes to the dashboard design. And again, regarding the colour, do we stay with this and just repair the damage, or do we do a complete change? Now, I'm sure the decision will be based on your choice originally, whether you preferred the car to stay in a light colour or a dark colour. I've always preferred interiors to be a contrast to the outside, so if you have a dark colour on the outside you have a light colour on the inside, and vice versa. Now, keeping in mind also that we still have the Mark V interior that came on the donor car. Obviously a couple of panels could be used to replace it, but we've also got those seats as well under consideration. So I guess this is a multiple question scenario, and I will post those shortly after this. So let me see if I can summarize. Option 1 would be to tidy up and leave the interior as you see it today. Option 2 would be to change the interior completely, but within that option whether we go dark or a light interior. So again, thank you for your participation in this. One more question to go tomorrow. Put your comments in the suggestions below, and thank you very much, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.